Today I visited this prestigious institution. So in South India how the film industry is playing a big role. So in this occasion today I came here for the Karnataka Film Chamber of Commerce. So respected Sri Jairaj, President Karnataka Film Chamber of Commerce. Respected N.M. Suresh, Secretary Karnataka Film Chamber of Commerce. Respected Sri Sivaraj Kumar, renowned Kannada actor and son of great actor Dr. Rajkumar. And Sri Sara Govindu, ex-president Karnataka Film Chamber. Respected Sri Chinnegowda, ex-president Karnataka Film Chambers. Respected K.V. Gupta and other respected members of this industry, producers, exhibitors, distributors, my dear friends from the media. So good evening to you all. So today what we decide, after I become the minister, I used to meet the concerned industry people. Yesterday also, I visited Mangalore, Udupi, related to the fisheries activities. Already I met South Indian Film Chamber people in Chennai. So all industry from Malayalam, Kannada, Tamil, Telugu, they gathered and we discussed our industry and how to take up industry in next level. So our government is, very well, everybody knows that we are making steps to easy do business. For that, our Ministry Information and Broadcasting, a portal also is there. In that portal, you can go to that portal, you can upload your, and you can get wherever you want to go, whether if it defense permission, or it is in railway permission, or it is in civil aviation, or it is in archaeological department. So it gives a single window system in our app for the easy doing business for this industry. Those anybody wants to come to the foreign also, we are giving that single window system. They can get easy visa and also. So like that we are coordinating this industry has to be grown. And I want to tell you here from Kannada films, last year in our CBSE Central Board of Film Certification Department, they received 234 applications from the producers for the certification. In that, 226 applications certified already. So I can happily share with you. So there is no pending, only 8 applications are pending. That is for some of documentation need from the producer. So for that purpose only it is in waiting. That also if they come forward or they can rectify the what are small issue, that will be we will be issued. And our federation, our chamber people, they asked the Hindi certification from the Bangalore. So already, and also some of animal welfare board, some of issues they mentioned here. Already they spoke on me and they submitted this memorandum. So I will take over that memorandum and I will go through, and whatever the possibilities to help the industry, definitely we will take up, because we are the facilitating ministry for you. You know very well that. So always you people also told whenever some grievance comes, that we solved. Already you told our predecessor are how concerned about this industry. So I will take care and I will go through this memorandum, and I will take up concern ministry also, if some other ministry I will take up, and also before that I came to this meeting. Our chamber people, they told the Karnataka government is waived the tax, property tax for the theatres. So the government, Karnataka government, our government, they are supporting in this industry.
In all aspects.
And also from Karnataka government, 10 lakhs rupees subsidy they are giving for the last 125 movies. They provided the subsidy here. And I wanted to tell our industry people, our government is friendly with all industry, and our aim is to easy do business. So for that is, again, that's why I am telling, easy do business, whatever, because easy do business, whatever the grievance he told, that we are going to take up. So once again, I thanks and congratulate these industry people, because they are all in this industry for the past 40 years, 50 years, 60 years, 30, 85 years. This prestigious institute is there. So in this prestigious institute, I came here. In this prestigious institute. So I am very happy to visit here also. Again, I am telling this. So because our industry people, I met them and I discussed with them. They also, I take some points with them, and they are also sharing them concern. So definitely, sir, our ministry with the industry, so we will be with you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
Sir, regarding that GST issues also. Okay, sir.
Off the record, I will meet some other time our press peoples, because yes, you are on the part of our ministry. I will meet some other day. So next visit, whenever I come, I will meet you, all our press people also. Thank you very much.